Have you ever felt like giving up? Like the world is too big, too overwhelming, and you're just too small to make a difference? We've all been there. But what if I told you that within you lies an unstoppable force, a power that can defy the odds, overcome any challenge, and transform your life? This is your moment. Today we dive deep into the power of motivation, how a single spark can ignite a lifetime of change, and how powerful words can shape the future. Words, they have the power to build or destroy. They can uplift you to the highest heights or drag you into the darkest depths. Think about this. A single sentence, a single phrase, can change everything. Great leaders knew this. Martin Luther King Jr. didn't just speak about his dreams. He painted a vision that rallied nations. Winston Churchill, with his relentless spirit, didn't just offer a speech during World War II. He gave hope to a broken nation. The words we hear can either anchor us or lift us. The right words, at the right time, can ignite something inside you. A hunger, a fire, a belief that you are destined for greatness. But how do we handle adversity? How do we push forward when everything seems stacked against us? The road to success is never smooth. It's a journey of setbacks, obstacles, and challenges. But every obstacle is an opportunity in disguise. The greatest warriors don't fear battle, they embrace it. Why? Because they know that true growth only happens when you push beyond your limits. Every time you fall, you learn. Every time you face failure, you gain wisdom. Remember, the difference between those who succeed and those who quit isn't talent or luck. It's persistence. It's that drive to get up one more time, even when you feel like you've already given everything. Belief, the most powerful force in the world. The moment you truly believe in your potential, you unleash a power that no obstacle can overcome. Every successful person, whether it's in sports, business, or personal development, shares one thing in common: unwavering belief in themselves. They knew that their dreams were possible, even when others doubted them. They knew that their journey was worth the struggle, even when it seemed impossible. Your dreams are just waiting for you to believe in them. You are the creator of your own destiny. You have the power to shape your future, one decision at a time. It doesn't matter how many times you've failed or how many people have told you it can't be done. What matters is that you believe it can. Belief is nothing without action. It's the fuel that powers the engine of success. You can dream all day, but it's the steps you take, the work you put in, that will get you there. Inaction is your enemy. But persistence? Persistence is your greatest ally. When you wake up each day and take just one more step toward your goal, you're moving closer to the life you've always imagined. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The time is now. If you want to be successful, you have to commit to consistent action, even when the results aren't immediately visible. Every great story has a hero, a person who faces challenges, makes mistakes, learns from them, and ultimately triumphs. But here's the secret. You are the hero of your own story. The plot is in your hands. You might not have superhuman strength or the ability to fly, but you have something even more powerful: your willpower, your vision, and your heart. You can rise above, you can conquer your fears, and you can create a future beyond your wildest dreams. It all starts with one choice. Will you take the leap? Will you believe in yourself? Will you act? This is your life. This is your story. Don't let anyone else define it for you. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the stars to align. Start today. Start now. Because when you believe in yourself, when you take action with purpose and passion, there's nothing that can stand in your way. You are capable of achieving greatness. You are destined for success. So get up, push forward, and become the hero of your own story. Your destiny awaits. The world is waiting for you. Go show them what you're made of.